In this video, we're going to be cutting a simple blouse without that. Very easy to make. So let's get right into the video. So first of all, you have to fold with your bust measurement. That's the largest part of your body. I cut this fabric, the front and the back, they are under because there won't be any zipper inside. So I just folded the two of them differently on top of each other. I'm still going to open this up a little bit so you can see how it looks. This is so simple. There is no zipper here, no dirt, and it's so simple to make, and it's a chiffon blouse. Even to start with it, you can easily make this with the smallest material you have there in the house, and it's simple to make. So first of all, I just cut out my neck depth of 4 and my neck width, you can see it's of 4 too. I'm going to go ahead and mark my shoulder. So my shoulder is 8.5, and then the depth of the armhole is still 8.5. So I'll still go ahead and then cover it up. I'm just making with a free hand. I just want to show you how easy it is to make a very simple blouse with a free hand, no too much mass involved. Okay, so I just came down by ½ inch for my shoulder slant. You can use 1 inch for your shoulder slant. I just came down by ½ inch. So I'm just going to cut it out, but before then I'll measure out the bust measurement of the person. And don't forget that I folded this this fabric with the bust measurement already, so there won't be much allowance remaining. I folded it with the bust measurement plus my allowance before I cut it out. Okay, so the bust measurement was 12 plus 2 inches for my sewing allowance. That's why I marked 14. Now for my waist, I came down by 17 inches, and then I now knew where my waist would be, and I marked it as 13. Okay, so I'll just connect it upward. Very simple, and it comes out very beautiful. You can even wear a simple blouse. The way you wear it, you turn it to a sophisticated way, and nobody will know that you even just sat down and just made something so quickly. So while I'm at this, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so every time I upload a new video you'll be notified. So you can see how I just removed one of the fabric and the fabric under. I removed it so I can adjust the neck depth of the front one. I want to make it a bit deeper than the back one. Okay, so I will just come down by 5 inches just this way, and then continue the curve down. So this is this simple. Now for the sleeve, this is the sleeve. I'm just going to go ahead with a simple sleeve with mostly allowance, and then I'll put elastic at the band of the sleeve. Okay, so I'll just come down by 4 inches. I already have a very lengthy video on how to draft and cut your sleeve, both for a short sleeve and for a long sleeve. So please go ahead. If you're yet to watch that video, please run along now and watch that video so that you will understand what I just did. Okay, so I'm just cutting this out, and this is it. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.